Hello everyone, Tucker from Mass Effect Follower. Last time I did the challenge video, I was sitting in a couch. I can't do that this time, as we've been moving around a lot of stuff. That, in combination of me not feeling too good over the past few days, and spring break starting for my college, I thought that I would just do a very relaxed video for this month's challenge. With that being said, let's get to the winner. Now, the winner for March's Best Memory Challenge is Forest Woods. This person says, "This may be too vague, but I simply love the intro to Mass Effect 3. It was the first game I played of the series, no shame in that, the first game I played was Mass Effect 2, and I think it was a pretty good introduction. It was fun, exciting, action-packed, and frightening all at the same time, as I saw the Reapers begin to tear away at Earth. It dealt an immediate urgency to a story I had just begun to experience. As you leave, your ship and the camera moves to orbit with the absolutely brilliant theme of the game playing. It was I knew a fantastic adventure awaited me." Sorry about that. So congratulations, Forest Woods. I replied to your comment with an email address. Email me there and we will be able to talk about getting the game to you. Obviously, not going to be sent early. It'll be there when the game comes out. I wish I could send games early. That would be pretty cool, actually. So that is the winner for March. Now the challenge for April, we want to get the Twitch kind of up and running for Follower. We had that a while ago and then we just kind of stopped doing it. So the challenge for this one is very simple. Just follow us on Twitch and you're automatically entered. You don't have to subscribe, you don't have to pay any of the money or anything like that, just follow us, and you are entered to win. You also have to be subscribed to this channel, but that's kind of automatically a given. Speaking of subscribers, we are almost at 5,000 subscribers. We have been doing this or at least the YouTube, for about a month. And getting at 5,000 subscribers that quickly is pretty amazing. I want to thank all of you guys for that. All of us at Mass Effect Follower, it just feels awesome that we're getting this support from you guys, or almost 5,000 of you guys, and obviously we are putting our hardest into making this channel grow, and the support that you guys show us, it shows us that you enjoy what we're doing. So we are always going to be putting out as best content as we can. I just want to say thank you. So with that being said, the April's challenge is follow us on Twitch. And, in the comments below, if you could comment, what is your home remedy for a queasy stomach, headache, that kind of stuff. That'd be pretty awesome, actually. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next month